We're gonna go over the procedure of using the Crack Pro crack buggies. We check the oil, we check the coolant, they're both good to go. There's an override button on most of these. You wanna kick the override button in, fire the engine up. Once you've got the engine fired up, that'll engage the generator. You'll come back to the back control panel, turn your power switches on, first your master power, then your AC power. Your presets are already in there for your temperature and your hose temperature and your material temperature. Leave those alone. If you've got any questions on those, talk to your mechanic before adjusting any of those temperatures. Let it heat up for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you've hit your temperature, your interlock button will engage. Once that button lights up, you can turn your agitator on forward and your pump on forward. At that point, your material should have heat, your agitator's going, your pump's going. Hit your button and make sure you've got material flowing through your hose. Once you see material flowing through your hose, we grab a piece of wire or something, put that in the lock position. That way you've got complete flow through your hose while you're heating it up. When you use the hose, always make sure you hang it in the correct position. There's a picture on most of these that shows the correct position to hang the hose. You never want to bend it, you never want to have a loop in it. That pinches those elements in that hose and stops it from heating. And when that happens, the whole job will be down. These crack buggies are very important for our production. These hoses range from about $2,500 to $3,000 with labor. It's just an expensive process, so we want to make sure the hoses are hung in the correct manner. Once you're done with the crack buggy, at the end of the night, you want to put the pump in reverse and the agitator in reverse. That will pull most of the material out of the pump and the hose, and it'll allow it to start the next day without an issue. It should create any problems. Just make sure you keep that in the reverse position for at least 10 to 15 minutes to make sure your material's back in the tank. It's not setting in your hose and it's not setting in your pump. And after you're finished doing that, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes in the reverse, shut your AC power off, shut your master power off, and you should be good to go for the next day. My name's Craig. We hope you enjoyed the video today. And remember, safety starts with you, so be safe out there.